You already might have mirrored from the title itself. Welcome to the Minitool Power Data Recovery Software review, guys. This is Hemant Raj, and let's do this. So once you open up the software, the interface looks something like this. So right up here you have all the drives that are attached to your PC, and to the left you have to select up in between the individual drives that are removable and non-removable ones. So what I'm gonna do in this experiment is that I'm just gonna copy up a couple of files which are having different sort of extensions and paste it in a removable drive. I chosen up the removable drive because it's kind of small in size and makes the work easier and faster. So let's do this. Let me just go to the removable drive and quickly format it. So I've chosen up the quick format, and there you go, the format is complete. So once you're done, so these are the couple of files that I've selected up, each with different sort of extension, and I've created two of these files especially. So one is the document and other one is the PDF. So let us check if the files get corrupted after they recover. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna paste these files into the removable drive, and once you're done with that, you are good to go with the software. So once you're done with that, let me quickly delete up these files. So yes, and the files are gone. Now let's come back to the software, and as you can see, the drive is now completely empty. The software just started to look up for all the raw files that are in the drive. So there you go. So once done, you can see the results are displayed. So about 68.4 GB of files have been recovered from the small 32 GB pen drive, which is pretty insane. Right up here I have the document that I have deleted from the removable drive. It is perfectly fine. You can also preview up before you recover the files from the software, which is pretty good option. So here is the image that I have placed in and deleted from the pen drive. So this experiment is conducted in FAT32 format of the removable drive. So I would also like to try out in the NTFS format. I'll be doing that next. Before we do that, let us just go ahead and recover up these files and save them onto the desktop and check out whether these files are working good in condition. So I just quickly recovered this document file, and let me just quickly open it and check whether it's completely opening and whether it's editable or not. So right up here you can see the software is doing a pretty good job. It have recovered the files as well as the files are editable. And yeah, done with this. Now let's go ahead and format up the removable drive to NTFS format and place up a couple of files, delete them, and check out whether this does a good job in the file extension of NTFS. Okay, now that's done. Now let us go ahead and paste up some of the files that I've just created. So these are some of the files. There are a couple of PPTs and a PDF and a ZPEG file. So let us go back to home and let us go ahead and start recovering the files as well. So yeah, there you go. I've just passed out for 3%, and the results are there. You have that recovered PPT, the recovered ZPEG, so I don't need to complete the scan, and I can just stop it right up here and recover the files. So let us go ahead and recover up the ZPEG file that I've just placed up. So there you go, that is the ZPEG file. Oh, that's pretty good quality. There is no damage in quality as well, which is pretty good. The Minitool Power Data Recovery software is an amazing software to check out, guys. If you have deleted some of the files or you have lost it, it will definitely get back those files whenever you need. So they are also kind enough to get me some serial keys for our subscribers as well. So if you are one of those lucky ones, I'll be giving out a subscriber one of those keys of the software, so you can simply use the software and get an advantage of it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Raj signing out for now, and I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.